is my 8x8 for my toddler, and we are just capturing some things we've been doing together during quarantine. So these are some of my favorite pictures of some things that we've done together, some time that we've had. We've done some crafts together. We've done some baking. We've done more crafts in quarantine, so these are just some special, little memories of things that, we had really fun doing together. And I got to use a peekaboo pocket here, so that was really convenient, like that. Just some things, and here's another one, so cute. And I've got a few blank pages left because we don't really know how long we'll be in quarantine, but I still have a few more to work with on this. So I haven't added the stories yet, and my idea is I want to add some things that she's saying during this time, little funny toddler sayings and just things that she's telling us while we're doing these. So I think that's what I'm going to kind of add as our little journals along the pages. So this was a super easy album to make. I used 6x6 pieces for the center, 1.5 strips for the top, 1-inch strips for the bottom, and then I just used these little 1/2-inch strips to decorate. In order to make the triangles, easy triangles, we're going to be using the trimmer on the 45. And then we made triangles that were about 1 inch to 1.5 inches for this.